everybody, this is Tina. Welcome to my video today, you guys. I have a little bit of an extra video for you guys, simply because I have been trying to fit this project and video and blog post into my lineup, and it just has not made it. So I'm gonna do a quick video for you guys and share this with you. This is last month's paper pumpkin kit, so we are really coming right up on the deadline to sign up to get your kit for this month, for March. And so I apologize that it's a little bit late, but I loved this kit. And to be honest, you guys, the last probably 2 kits, like January and February, I never got to. I just have been so busy with other things that I just haven't really had a chance. I made the XOXO Valentine's Day card, and that's the only thing I did out of that kit. I'll link a card right up here. I loved digging around in that kit and using those products to make that one card, but then I just didn't do anything else with it. So when I saw photos of this kit, I knew I had to get into this kit and open it up and make these cards. And I actually didn't do anything different with them. I just kind of followed the instructions. But the great thing about paper pumpkin is sometimes when you don't have time to craft, you can pull this out and feel like you were able to craft. So that's sort of what happened the other night. I really felt like crafting, and I really felt like putting some ink to some paper and having some fun. And so I did. I took a little bit and I made these cards. You can see one of my favorite aspects of this kit is the envelopes. And I've seen lots of people who have taken maybe the envelopes and cut them up and used the design because the outside is just a plain white envelope. So it almost seems wasteful for this beautiful pattern to not be used. So I have seen people who have been cutting them up, and I love that. But I'm just leaving mine, and then the cards are really simple, but they just have this really most beautiful effect. So here's that pattern again, and I used a lot of foam tape and popped up each of the images and used that linen thread very generously. And so I know I'm going to run out of this thread in the kit, and I'll have to add my own because I really am using it quite generously. But you can see that says friend. And I am in really a great need of these simple cards like friend, or there's one that says celebrate on here. Thank you. I put these together. I kind of went through and put some of the elements together, and then I could just add the cards. Here's the thank yous. I want to still make these. They came out super beautiful. But since I've been in need of these, I just thought I would make this kit up and just use them just exactly as they are. I've seen so many beautiful alternative projects with this kit, and I share that on my VIP customer group. So if you get paper pumpkin from me, or you're one of my customers, you get to be a part of that group. And I've been sharing and chatting about this paper pumpkin kit since it came out. So paper pumpkin, if you're not familiar, is this really amazing, super cute kit that you can get every month. If you sign up to do it monthly, it's just a subscription. It's $20. You don't have to think about it. On the 10th of every month is when the deadline to get the current kit happens, and then it gets shipped around between the 10th and the 12th, and you get it, and you can make it a surprise, or you can get a little sneak peek online. If you want to try it out, if you just want to try it out for a month, you can get a prepaid subscription for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or a year. So right now, if you do a 3-month prepaid paper pumpkin subscription, not only do you get a little discount on your paper pumpkin, but you get a celebration item because it is the last month of celebration. So that just means we have some free product that we're offering you. So in my YouTube description, I'm going to put a link of how you can sign up for this kit and get it either by the month, or you can sign up to get one of those prepaid options. And then of course on my website, there are some photos and all of those links as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. I'm sorry I didn't put these together on camera, but I could not resist sharing with you that I've put them together and what I'm using my kit for. In the month of April, there is going to be a special surprise in the box because it is it is Paper Pumpkin's 5-year anniversary. So if you sign up by the 10th of this month, which is, I know, just a few days away, your kit in April, it will be, I'm sure it will be a specially designed box. It has been the last several years. And then there is a fun gift inside, and I cannot wait. The gifts over the last few years have been really amazing. It's been anywhere from a stamp set to exclusive watercolor pencils. So I am super excited for this next month, and I can't wait, and I'll share that with you guys. And then if you're interested, make sure you sign up by the 10th of the month, and you can always unsubscribe. You can sign up and get the special kit next month and then cancel your subscription at any time. There's no penalty. So thank you guys so much. I hope you're having a wonderful Thursday. I will be back tomorrow on Friday to share project number 2 from Just Because Occasions series with Chris. So make sure you come back and you hang out with me tomorrow. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you later.